Well, I guess now that I've done all the fixing, replacing the broken bits, we really ought to have a look inside at the mechanics, see how it works. Turn that back off again for now. Now, I'm pretty sure we've got a motor there and a motor there. That one drives that wheel, that one drives that wheel, and obviously the tracks are drawn all the way around. Here it looks like we've got a motor that's going to turn the main body around. Looks like that's a few screws there we can undo. The one that might be a bit awkward to get to will be the one that's in there that lifts the arm up and down. So where will we start? I expect we can start here because this looks like it might be the easiest one to get to. That feels like it's turning without coming undone. That one feels a bit more positive. A magnet to put the bits on. Okay, right, well, we've got a fair few bits in there. Oh, I didn't expect all that. Seriously didn't expect all that. I'll move the camera so we can get a bit closer. Well, we can do the easy things. We do have a speaker there for sound effects. We've got a yellow and blue wire going down there for that motor. And we've got a red and white wire going up to that motor. That strip there appears to be the termination for that cable. That looks like that comes round the back there, stripped off there. The wires are all going down here. Yeah, so they're going, got diodes here, looks like. Interesting. And a couple of resistors, little small resistors, surface mount. Let's have a look on the other side, see if we got anything else on there. Another screw up there. Right, nothing on the other side, so it is just terminating all those wires. Just a convenient place to terminate them so they don't go directly off to the other bits and pieces. And then this bit down here, that will be the sound effects, got a black blob on it, and then goes to the speaker. So that's our sound effect board. And in there's our motor that will be driving that big white gear to turn the whole thing round. I think we can look at that without everything falling apart. Another screw under there. Okay. Well, I suppose we can have a look inside of that, can't we? But yeah, that's the gearbox. Motor's facing that way, so there must be a couple of gears going that way and ending up just there to drive that, which is then reduced down to that one to do that, to actually turn the whole bodywork. And interestingly enough, we do have wires go straight up through the middle there. So I would think they would get twisted if you kept turning it one way. Let's have a look in here. Let's just turn the camera down a little bit. Right. So let's... Come on. You want to come off there? Yes, you do. Okay. Right, now for the gearbox. Let's just hope it doesn't all fall apart. Oh, we've got some clips. I hate clips because they usually snap when you try and get them apart. Yeah, it's going to insist on me undoing the clip on the other side. Right, ready for this? Hope it doesn't fall apart. Right, there we go. So, worm gear, big gear, small gear, big gear, small gear, big gear, small gear. And that would also look like it's got some sort of ratchet on it, because it's spring mounted. Yeah, do that without it falling apart. I think if I pull that, I would think, I can't see. Hang on, I'm going to have to look at that close. Yeah, right. Let's get close up. Okay, that spring is a giveaway. If I turn that hard enough, you can just see it clicking over. There. So that's stress release. In case the whole turning mechanism jams up, that will click over so that all these little gears don't get broken. So that can go back on there. Oh, I've got to make sure they line up, haven't we? Ooh, rude words. I have to reach in there just to poke them around a bit so they line up. Right, I'll do that off camera. Right, that's back together. So press the button. So that's okay. Now, if we want to get the top off, we're going to have to undo those screws so that can come out and the top can go the other way. And the wires that go up there, there'll be a couple of wires, I think probably that green and black there, probably go up to the light that's on the top. And then the thicker wires, the white and the green, will be the drive motors for the arm. Okay, stop the video at that point, and then we'll come back again, take those screws out and take the top off. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.